Is it time to buy or sell Gibo Holdings stock? In this video, we will delve into Gibo Holdings. Our initial report was released on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 28th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Gibo Holdings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.14. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 41.37%. This results in an average return of 20.68% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 67% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a total loss to a gain of approximately 1,743%. In the longer term, our analysis over a 12-month period points to a projected change of around -41%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance may vary from a complete loss to an increase of roughly 8,197% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between 0 and approximately $7.88. Our latest daily update for Gibo Holdings includes the headline: Big movements in Gibo Holdings Limited stock price on Tuesday, moving 53.53% between high and low. The Gibo Holdings Limited stock price gained 41.37% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, rising from 0.0672 to 0.0950. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 53.53% from a day low at 0.0680 to a day high of 0.104. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 138.1% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 571 million shares, and in total, 647 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $61.5 million. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may serve as an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $24.18 and the lowest price was $0.0286. Currently, the price is 99.61% or $24.09 below the 52-week high of $24.18, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Gibo Holdings Limited continues to make significant strides in the digital content space with a series of recent milestones. On the 15th of July, 2025, Gibo Click successfully completed its monetization engine trial on DramaFlow, a rapidly expanding short drama platform. This follows the successful testing of Gibo Click on other platforms like uDrama and uShort, enhancing multi-currency transactions and viewer analytics. These advancements position Gibo as a leader in the smart content monetization technology sector. Additionally, Gibo's innovative USDG.net engine, designed for seamless cryptocurrency transactions, adds yet another layer of appeal, facilitating payments across its ecosystem and WeChat short drama platforms. The launch of Spark RWA represents a pivotal shift in how narrative intellectual properties can be tokenized, verifying their value in both creative and collectible economies. These developments are not just immediate technological wins. They are likely to bolster Gibo's stock price in the short term by attracting new investors and enhancing market confidence in their business model. Long-term, ongoing advancements in artificial intelligence and content monetization will likely solidify Gibo's competitive edge, potentially translating to sustained growth and higher valuations as the demand for innovative digital content solutions escalates. Analysts have assigned Gibo Holdings stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Gibo Holdings. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of July, 2025. Since then, the stock has risen 194.12%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The Gibo Holdings Limited stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, the stock receives a more negative outlook. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at 0.498. In the event of a decline, support can be expected from the short-term average at 0.0566. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would issue an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative sentiment. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 64 days ago. Short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average presented a sell signal 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 55 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average showed a sell signal 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Gibo Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 0.0827. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.0364 between its high and low, which equates to 53.53%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 55.85%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Gibo Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Gibo Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Gibo Holdings is at $0.109. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Gibo Holdings encounters its first support level at $0.0827. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Gibo Holdings stock a good buy? Gibo Holdings Limited exhibits several negative signals indicating that it is likely to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Our analysis has been updated from a strong sell to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of July, we anticipate that Gibo Holdings will open lower by approximately 591 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting trading at 8,091 ten-thousandths of a dollar. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.